What if I told you that you can copy videos from other people and make big money in the process? It may sound too good to be true, but I will show you someone doing the exact same thing and how you can replicate that success and earn $9,000 again and again without showing your face, requiring a camera or any equipment, and no matter where you're coming from. Now, just before we start, let me remind you that if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so today guys, I will show you how to make money with YouTube, and I will show you someone that is literally copying pasting other people's videos and making a ton of money in the process, and how you can do the same even if you've never created a video in your life. With that being said, here is the channel I will be going over with you guys today. It's called Build Empire, and it has over 100,000 subscribers, as you can see. The owner of this channel creates compilation-type videos of people with expensive cars, boats, and so on, and is making crazy money on YouTube, despite the lower views, as I will show you later on. With that said, just check out some of these thumbnails for starters. They are simplistic in every way possible. It's just a picture of someone with their car or whatever with the word billionaire in the image. And all of these thumbnails are made in exactly the same fashion. The logo and cover of this channel are no different. You can literally create one like this in like 15 minutes with no skills required. So just like the thumbnails, it's very simple and easy to create. However, it's the way the videos are created that's the truly mind-blowing part. Here is one video I opened up, and when I play it, you will see that it's just a simple compilation of other people's videos about yachts, expensive cars, and all that kind of stuff. And apart from that, it has music in the background, and that's it. There's no voiceover, as these are not motivational type videos, even though they might seem like it at first glance. So in other words, to make these kinds of videos, you don't need a camera, you don't need to have a good voice and a microphone, and you don't need to be some professional video editor, since creating compilations is quite easy. You literally just need a place to find these videos, a place to find the music, a video editing software to combine the two into a 6 to 8 minute long video, and that's it. That's all that's required. If you go over to the description, you will be able to see what I was talking about. As you can see, it says video credits here, and he's basically giving credit to all the people from whom he took the actual videos. And they, of course, don't mind because he is giving them exposure in this fashion, and they can actually expect more views on their own videos as well as a result. So as I said before, guys, the clips you see in the actual videos are not from the owner of the channel, and that is what makes creating these types of videos so easy. You don't have to film them yourself. Anyways, something I really want to show you that I know many of you will be wondering about is how much money is this person actually making? And we will be using a site called socialblade.com to estimate their earnings. As you can see, according to Socialblade, the owner of this channel is making up to $3,000 a month, which of course is not a lot by any means, but Socialblade actually got it wrong this time, and here's why. Socialblade estimates how much money someone is making based off of the total number of views a month and the average CPM, or money made per 1,000 views. And it's in this case that they got the CPM wrong for the simple reason that the owner of this channel doesn't have an average CPM of $5 per 1,000 views. In fact, the CPM is between $10 at least, and in fact can go up to $20 depending on where the owner of the channel is from. This is because business and finance type videos have the highest CPM on YouTube. If you create a business video, you will make $10 per 1,000 views at the very least than if you uploaded, say, a tutorial video of some sort. Now, let's say for the sake of this video that the CPM is $15. If you scroll down on Social Blade here, you'll be able to see that the daily number of views is 20,000 or so. Or, in other words, the owner of this channel is making $9,000 a month creating those insanely simple and easy to make videos. And I will now show you not only where you can find the content, but where to find the music and how to combine the two with what video editing software. Let's start off with the content, where to find it. Well, it's actually YouTube that's the perfect place for that. That's the same platform where the owner of the channel is getting the content from, and you'll have no issues doing the same. Now, you can do two things here. Search for stuff like yacht, expensive or luxury cars, luxury houses, stuff like that, and then find good videos that you can use. Or what you can do alternatively is simply open up some of the channel's build empire here is crediting in the description and use their content yourself. The latter option is the better one in my opinion, guys, because you'll have such an easier time finding the content for your videos. Here is a channel that Build Empire credited in one of his videos that I will be using as an example. And here's the one video I opened up. When you find a video you like, either from the channels credited in the description or channels you found yourselves, you will want to copy the link of it, then go over to Google and search for YouTube to MP4 and open up any one of these platforms. What you will need to do from there is paste the link and then click on Convert here, and the site will download the video for you free of charge. And by the way, this is how all these platforms function. So even though I'm using this one here, you will do the same thing no matter which one you opened up. In any case, once you download a few of those videos that are long enough for a 5 to 8 minute long video, it's now time for me to show you where to find the music. And it's YouTube, once again, that we will be using, or more specifically, the YouTube audio library. This is arguably the best place to find music for your videos, and for two reasons. For one, you have thousands upon thousands of songs to choose from. And more importantly, you can get monetized using them, so you won't get taken down for copyright and you can actually make money from the ad revenue. In any case, you will now want to find good music for your videos. You can use the filter option here to find the songs that will be best for the kinds of videos you're creating. You can preview the song in question by clicking on the play button here, and when you find a song you like and that you think is fitting for your type of video, simply click on the download button right over here to download it to your PC for free. Now that you have both the content and the audio for it, you need something to combine the two into an actual video so that you can upload it onto YouTube. And so what you can do, guys, is simply go over to Google and type in best free video editing softwares in 2021 and open up any one of these articles. And you will then be able to find great tools to use to create your videos. And do keep in mind, guys, that you don't need anything special. You just need something for a compilation video. So that doesn't require something as complex as Sony Vegas, for example. Something relatively simple will do. Alternatively, what you can do if you don't want to go out and search for good video editing tools, you can just use this one here called OpenShot to create your videos. This is a software I've recommended time and time again, and it's not without reason. For creating simple videos, it's one of the best ones out there, and you can download it for 100% free. To do so, just come over to openshot.org and then click on the download button right here to download it to your PC. What you will now basically do, guys, is combine the audio and the video in your video editor of choice, and since that's relatively simple and easy to do, I won't go over that. Instead, I want to now show you where you can obtain the images that you can use for your thumbnails. A great place for that is pexels.com. On here, you can find not only great-looking images, but you can actually use them for free without copyright problems. So Pexels is the best place to find photos for your thumbnails. When you find something good, just open it up, and then you want to hover your mouse over this arrow. Select Custom Size and type in 1920 by 1080, since that is the best resolution for a thumbnail, and click on the download button just below. Once you download that photo, you can use it for your thumbnail. Even though Build Empire added text on top of his thumbnail, that really isn't necessary. If you really want to do it, then you can use a site like canva.com for that particular purpose. And once you've added in the text, you can just download the thumbnail to your PC and add it to the video you uploaded onto YouTube. Now, even though you will have a bit of trouble in the beginning due to the fact that you won't be monetized, you will want to upload at least every other day, and once a bit of time passes, you will be able to accumulate enough views, subscribers, and watch time to get monetized, and you'll be able to make a lot of money from there. Anyways, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.